My objective of care for my pediatric patients is to not only support the normal growth and maturation of each child's spine and nervous system, but to support the health and vitality of each child by supporting their ability to adapt to their environment. This allows for children to express optimal functioning. What does it mean to adapt? When it's hot outside, we sweat. The sweat evaporates and has a cooling effect to keep our core temperature down. When it's cold, we shiver. That muscle contraction produces heat to warm our bodies. When we have a healthy nervous system, our bodies can adapt to any environmental challenge or change. So what does adapting and optimal function look like in the pediatric population? This may look like avoiding sicknesses altogether, or maybe less severe sickness in terms of symptoms, or less symptomatic days and quicker recovery. Who wouldn't want a well-adapted child?